Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous bunch of paper quilling flowers greeting card, where I will share how to make these beautiful daisy flowers along with these bell flowers, and these are very unique. It looks beautiful with any other quill flower composition. Along with that, I will share how to make filler flowers, how to create the fencing, and how to construct the card. So without any delay, let's get started. So I'm starting with making the bell flower. For this I am taking one strip of white color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. The bell flower is also known as snowdrop flower. So the tight coil is ready. Now I am making a small dome using my quilling mold, and then take any tweezer and start pinching the flower from top like this and construct the flower shape in equal interval. So you will get 6 to 7 petals like this. And then I am adding glue inside the flower and allow it to dry. Then here I am taking one small piece of sap green color 2 mm strip, just chopping both the corners in a V shape. Then fold it from center, add little glue and just flatten the top portion of the stem and stick with the bell flower. So it will work like the stem of the flower like this. And this is ready. Then I am taking little bit of yellow acrylic color and just coloring the tip of the flower shape like this, which will give you the complete snowdrop effect. And with the same method I have prepared some more flowers already, some using 1 strips and some using half strips. Now taking here 1/4 strip of sap green color in 2 mm, folding it from center, add glue and stick both the layers. So it will be the bigger stem, and now one by one I am going to stick all my snowdrop flowers with the big stem. So starting from the bigger flower, and then I'll add the smaller flowers. And this is completely ready, looking very cute. With the same method I have prepared some more snowdrop flowers already. Then starting with making the daisy flower. So to create one petal, here I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more teardrop, so just joining both the petals together and wrapping this whole petal using maroon color strip. So the one petal is ready. Now I am joining total 12 petals together to create the flower. Then to make the center of the flower, here I am taking one strip of yellow color in 1 mm and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside the dome and then I'm sticking it on top of the flower. So the flower is ready. Just wiping out the excess glue mark using wet brush. And with the same method we need total 3 flowers. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking half strip of purple color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Now making a dome. Add glue inside this. And then I am joining total 4 petals together to make the flower. Then adding one golden colored stone in the center and our flower is ready. With the same method I have created some more flowers as a filler flower. Then to create leaf, here I am taking light green color 3 mm strip, just creating 4 to 5 loops in increasing order, cutting the excess strip and making a petal like this. With the same method I am making one more. Then joining both the petals together and our leaf is ready. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more. Then creating some small leaves using 1/4 strip of light green color in 3 mm and making a simple leaf shape. Similarly, we need some more. Then to make stem of the flower, here I am taking 3 mm dark green color strip, folding it from the center. Here I am taking half strip. Again folding it from center and joining both the layers together so that you will have sturdy stem. And this is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more stems. Then taking here ice cream stick which is 3 cm long and I am just chopping the top of the stick in V shape like this to create the fencing. This is 5 mm wide ice cream stick. Then on back side of this I am adding a layer of cardboard piece to give it dimension, and with the same method I have already created some more sticks. Now taking a long same ice cream stick which is 7 cm in length and I am connecting all the sticks together to construct the fencing. Adding one more in the bottom. And the fencing is ready. Then here I am taking 20 by 20 cm white color cardstock, just folding it from center to create the card base. This cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. Then on top of this I am adding one yellow color cardstock which is 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters. And then on top of this I am adding one white color cardstock which is 9 by 19 centimeters. Then exactly in the bottom center I am sticking the fencing. Then adding the stems which we have created inside the fencing. And after that, I will start arranging all my flowers, fillers and leaves one by one. Like this. Then adding few small leaves which we have created here and there. Then at the end I am adding sentiment, love you dad, which is handwritten using brush marker on white cardstock. So here I have prepared the card for Father's Day, but you can make it for any other occasion like birthdays, anniversaries, housewarming, baby shower. It will go with any occasion. Then here and there randomly I am adding some black color marker dots to give it little shabby look. And the outcome is looking very pretty, very attractive. I'm just loving the color combination of white and orange so much. So you can play with different color shades and create your own beautiful cards. Isn't it looking super beautiful and very attractive? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications, and tell me in the comment which flower you want to learn using quilling strips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.